Welcome back to Challenging Kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Rhonda, and a big welcome to you. Today's recipe is an apple coffee cake with a crumb topping. Doesn't that sound delicious? I'm going to show you how to do it. For the bottom portion of our coffee cake, we're going to need our apples, 3 or 4 decent tasting apples, some salt, some baking soda, some baking powder, some cinnamon, some sugar, some sour cream, and 1½ cups of flour. The first thing we want to do is we want to peel and chunk up our apples. Now we're just going to slice our apples. These are a softer type apple, but I'm still going to put them in a saucepan and cook them down just a little bit so that there's no apples that are still too firm. This is a wonderful fall recipe, and there are apples aplenty right now. To my saucepan, I'm adding about 1/4 inch of cold water, and I'm just going to add my apples into it. And I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. You can add whatever spices you like. If you like clove, put some clove in there, some allspice, pumpkin pie spice. It's up to you. Just going to sprinkle that. And I'm gonna simmer it for about 5-6 minutes. A slight correction on the apples. I meant to say bring them up to a slight boil for about 5 minutes. See, we just wanna cook them down just a little bit to where they're nice and soft. That's what I'm looking for. And then I'll take the apples out, straining the liquid. And the first thing you want to do is you want to get your flour and you want to sift it. So this will make it a nice texture, more fluffy like. Sift that through. Okay. Then I'm going to add my baking soda. It's a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Right in there. Our baking powder. It's going to be 2 teaspoons of double acting. And our salt. It's a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Right in there. Now I'm just going to give this a mix together. And onto the sugar is going to get resifted into the flour. Okay, we're going to do 1 cup of sour cream. We're going to add our 2 eggs. And we're going to beat this really well. Now I'm going to add gradually my dry mixture. Our apples are nice and soft now, so I'm just going to remove the liquid portion. I'm gonna spray my baking pan. Just gonna put our dough right in there. This is gonna make a nice apple coffee cake. Gonna spread that out. This is almost like an apple kuchen, but we're gonna put a streusel on top. So now I'm gonna add my apple. Spread that out a little more. I'm gonna add just a little bit more cinnamon. As much as you would like. So while my oven is preheating to 350 degrees, I'm going to make the streusel. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're gonna need 5 tablespoons of sugar. And we're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon because I already have some cinnamon on my apples. I'm gonna do about a 1/4 cup of the nuts. Perfect. Let me get a fork. I'm just gonna mix this together. Add my nuts and sprinkle it on top. Just gonna place it on top. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, wonderful, wonderful fall smells. I want to thank you for stopping into Challenging Kitchen today. Give the recipe a try. It's apple season and there's lots of recipes for apples. So I hope this is one recipe that you will try. I'm sure you're going to like it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like it. And as always, may God always bless you.